Hamilton.
What?
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Butte and Plumas. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Plumas County in Northern California, eastern Butte County in Northern California, until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:41 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Oroville Dam, 7 miles northeast of Oroville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oroville, Brush Creek RS, Holga, East Quincy, Carrollton, Story, Oroville Dam, Belden, Oroville East, Bald Eagle Mountain, Meadow Valley, Feather Falls, Bucks Lake, Tobin, and Conco. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California, Butte and Plumas.
Well, I don't care.
And
Bastard.
okay, Jeff. First, Jeffy, you asked for this.